The Exactor Great Plains plugin was developed to allow you to incorporate tax calculations from within your Microsoft Dynamics Great Plains system. Once the plugin is installed and set up, the sales tax will be calculated and seamlessly displayed in your quotes, orders, invoices, and other accounting forms. The Exactor Merchant Control Panel also allows quick and convenient tracking of all the transactions, be it a sales tax calculation, committed, or refunded transaction. To download the Exactor Great Plains plugin, log into the Exactor Merchant Control Panel, an online-based portal accessed from merchant.exactor.com. We recommend that you view the Exactor Merchant Control Panel overview and features video to get better acquainted with this portal and all the features and reports it provides. Log in and select Integration Points and Plugins. Under Financial Applications, locate Microsoft Dynamics Great Plains and click Download Plugin. Take note of where the installation is saved on your computer. Before you launch the installation, make sure Microsoft Dynamics Great Plains is not running. Double-click on the Exactor plugin icon and hit Next on the Setup Wizard window. Specify the folder where you will store the plugin and state whether all users or only the current user will use the Exactor plugin. After the plugin has been successfully installed, click the Close button. Once the Exactor Great Plains plugin is installed, configure your Exactor account. Open Microsoft Dynamics Great Plains, enter your username and password, and open the Exactor setup form. To set the Exactor account, navigate to MS Dynamics GP and select Tools, Setup, Company, Tax Schedules. Under the Additional tab, you will find Exactor Account Setup. Specify the account number and username you were given after registration with Exactor. Remember that the username is case sensitive. The Exactor Great Plains plugin can be configured in multi-merchant mode, which will allow you to report transactions to multiple Exactor accounts from within a single company database. The division of transactions between different Exactor accounts will be based on the transaction document number prefix. To enable the multi-merchant mode for your Exactor GP plugin, please contact Exactor Technical Support. Next, set the SKU source. This indicates whether your product mapping will be grouped by item number or tax class. Select the Commit Taxes method for your transactions. If you choose accrual basis, the transactions will be committed using the date of their creation and posting. If you choose cash basis, you will need to apply payment to the particular invoice for it to be committed. Most companies operate on the accrual basis, which is enabled by default. You can select cash basis if required. Specify the effective date for the plugin, which will be considered the earliest date for Exactor to perform tax calculations for your accounting documents. Define the interval for processing batch transactions, which will ensure real-time and recurring transactions are processed by the Exactor plugin. You can choose whether you'd like the progress bar for this process to be shown. Alternatively, you can manually process batch transactions by hitting the Process button at the bottom of the form. Once you are done setting the Exactor account, hit the Update button. Keep in mind that the Exactor account setup window also allows you to check the list of failed transactions. You can check this table from time to time to ensure each and every transaction is successfully processed by Exactor. Congratulations! You have successfully installed and configured the Exactor plugin for Microsoft Dynamics Great Plains. Please proceed to the next video to learn how to set your Nexus and filing information, and product and entity exemptions mapping to finalize your Exactor account setup. You do sales, we do your taxes. Exactor.